Alright, man. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Benny. I knew it. Alright, you guys. So this is for the first time. I'm actually working on the Subi, or well, John's mainly doing it because he's the Subaru Master Tech. Got it. Anyways, we're putting on his old ARC exhaust on this bad boy. It surprisingly fits. We basically have the same motors. It just has an extra gear, a little bit more performance. Nothing too major. Anyways, that ARC exhaust, he's put it on. He has his Tomei on, so he's letting me borrow this for the meantime. We got these Grim Speed exhaust hangers. They're pain in the ass to get off and put on and whatnot. So we're hoping everything is on pretty good, because if not, we're fucked. You can get them off. Well, we just gotta put in some man muscle. We're not men, just a couple of boys working on a car. Hopefully this shit don't fall on my face. Have you around your shit? Hey man, hey, take it easy, man. Follow my journey. Follow my journey. Alright, so sure enough, we had to move these up. We're gonna have to move them up because it just doesn't work out. Do you need a man? I'll go find one because I ain't getting that shit off. There you go. So I keep John around for all the muscle power. Jeez. No, hurry up! He's getting away! My pants falling. My heavy breathing in this video. We're so fat and out of shape. Fuck me. Oh, I thought that was him, but he doesn't have HIDs.
He has one.
He has one. Where's the one-eyed pirate? What's up? I don't know. We are at the car wash, back at the car wash, and this time no free wash. I gotta pay for it myself, unfortunately. But the exhaust is looking dope. The new window banner, rear window banner is looking clean. The car's not looking so clean, so let's make it clean. The car's all nice and clean now. The exhaust is looking good. Oh, okay. Trunk open. It's looking good, looking good. That music out there is loud. Alright, you guys, so we got the car all cleaned up and washed up. It's not dusty anymore. It's nice and clean. I did roll down the window, so the window's wet as always. Fuck. Other than that, I need to take a piss. So yeah, let's go. Oh, by the way, I didn't really mention it. I got that new rear window banner. That thing looks dope and clean. I like it. It's gonna be for sale. Go ahead and check the website. It's right there. Look at that. Ooh. Go ahead and check the website. Links will be down below. I should have it on the website by tonight. I also have a whole bunch of other new items. Check them out. Check them out. You're gonna like it. Ending the night with some salt and straw ice cream. Pretty good. This is actually our first time trying it down here in Little Italy, San Diego, California.